Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. And today I'm gonna give you my opinion on a Thunder tire from Fungineers. It's 11.5 by 6.5 by 6. The numbers actually, it sounds like it should be almost size as a BTG. Here's I got BTG, but actual size is almost inch smaller than BTG, and actually it's a half inch smaller in radius than Boris or Schuser 11 by 6 by 6. I don't know why the numbers it's saying one thing and the size is actually different. But in spite that, actually we kind of like it this tire, and especially after when I modified tread right there, you can see extra cuts. Now tire is more flexible. Pretty much with my weight, almost 290. At 17.5 or 19 pounds, it feels really nice, curvy, flexible tire. It's pretty good. I like to modify it my own way, all tires. If you look at my BTG actually also I did modify it. BTG tires, it's awesome. It's probably the best tire for my application, and every mods you can make it pretty much, because from factory it's a big chunks of rubber, I mean big threads. It's less flexible. Same thing Thunder tire, it did have much bigger chunks, less flexible, and a lot of people run like 12 pounds 8 pounds, depending how heavy you are. As soon as you cut it, you can pump it few pounds more than previous using, and tire will be still more flexible than before. Pretty much, yeah. So far we love it. Tire rubber compound feels nice and soft, which it's not gonna last a couple thousand miles on a tire, which I mean it's okay. Brand new tires is, I believe it's around like $80. It's not too expensive. But if you kind of looking or you're thinking before converting your XR to a graveler, which is going to use a pine tire, this tire probably it's a pretty good option before you buy a new rails. Pine tire, pretty good option to try it and see how you like it, because like I said, it's a little bit more snappiness, I mean more torque, more quicker response. Of course top speed maybe a mile or so less. With this board, like I said, it's 18S 2Ps. My current top speed on this guy around 24 mile. Which, I mean, much faster than any future motion board can propel me, because I'm, like I said, I'm 290. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was kind of interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate it. Thank you.